So, most earphones come with voice assistant functionality, but a hands-free assistant is a different ballgame. That's where the latest TWS earbuds from Amazon come in. The Echo Buds Gen 2 can let you Alexa your way through basic tasks such as calling, texting, playing music, and more. So, is it a gimmick? And is the performance good enough to justify an 11,000 rupee price tag? Stick around to find out. This is Dhriti, you're watching Digit, and in this video we'll be telling you about 4 reasons to buy the Amazon Echo Buds 2nd Gen and 2 reasons not to. Reason to buy number 1, hands-free Alexa. Now this is an Amazon device, so obviously it comes with Alexa integration right out of the box. And that's hands-free Alexa integration, mind you. With the Echo Buds Gen 2, simply saying Alexa will activate the assistant to perform an array of actions with ease. Alexa, play Red Hot Chili Peppers.
Playing songs by Red Hot Chili Peppers from Hungama Music.
There are of course some limitations. For instance, you cannot play tracks via YouTube Music. For such unsupported actions, you can choose to use your native voice assistant by simply changing the touch controls in the Alexa app. Number 2, microphone quality. These earbuds house 3 microphones per earbud, including 2 beamforming mics and 1 internal mic. This results in performance that is extremely impressive both indoors and outdoors. Voices sound natural and clear. Ambient sounds are drowned out quite successfully, but if you're in a really noisy environment, there may be some leakage. Wind noise is also quite muted during calls, which is impressive. But you should judge that out for yourself. We're recording this with the Amazon Echo Buds in an indoor environment. Let us know your feedbacks in the comment section, and while you're at it, smash the thumbs up button. Number 3, comfortable fit. These earbuds are lightweight and very comfortable to use for long listening hours. Amazon has provided 4 ear tips of varying sizes and 3 sizes of ear tip wings that provide a secure fit for most users. The wings are slightly fragile though and may rip when you're installing them, so be careful. The fit is snug enough that you can easily use them when walking, jogging, or during light workouts. And the IPX4 rating should prevent damage by sweat. The Alexa app also comes with a nifty fit test that tells you how good a fit you've achieved with your chosen ear tip. Number 4, customizations. The Alexa app opens up a world of customizations for the user, allowing them to tweak their earbuds down to a granular level. The app allows you to switch between noise cancellation modes, customize touch controls for multiple gestures, take the ear tip fit test, check workout history, customize EQ, and stuff like that. It is a feature-packed app that unlocks the true potential of these earbuds, and we strongly recommend you install it. Now that we're done with the pros, let me tell you about a few reasons that may end up being a deal breaker for you. Reason not to buy number 1, lackluster battery life. So obviously, battery life is a very important aspect of TWS earbuds performance, and in this case, it's nothing to write home about. With ANC and hands-free Alexa turned on, you get about 5 hours of playtime from the buds and nearly 15 hours in total, including the charging case. With ANC and hands-free Alexa off, these numbers don't really get that much of a bump. You get a total of 19.5 hours of playtime, both earbuds and charging case combined. In our test, we got about 4 hours and 10 minutes of playtime from the earbuds, with the volume level set to around 60%. There is, however, fast charging support, so a simple 15-minute charge gets you 2 hours of music playback. And one excellent addition is Qi wireless charging support, which isn't too common at this price. Number 2, mediocre sound and ANC. The Amazon Echo Buds 2nd Gen excel in a lot of areas, but they do fail to impress when it comes to sound and ANC performance. The ANC performance is extremely underwhelming, and the buds are only capable of suppressing very few sounds such as an AC's drone, and most other sounds are as clear as day even with ANC on. As for the sound quality, the earbuds have a V-shaped sound signature, but the lows and low mids in the frequency response are underemphasized, so vocals and instruments in this range may sound dull and laid back. There are many instances where a track's vocals are relegated to the background due to this sound signature with boosted low bass and boosted highs. These buds work well with genres such as classical and blues, but they seem mediocre when listening to pop, rap, or EDM tracks. Options such as the Oppo Enco X and the OnePlus Buds Pro in the same price range definitely offer better ANC and sound quality. And now that neatly brings us back to the question we had when we started. Are these earbuds worth their asking price? While these earbuds do impress in terms of features and fit, they fall behind in key areas such as battery life, ANC performance, and sound quality. These misses are enough to ask most users to look elsewhere at this price point. But if you do have specific requirements such as hands-free assistant support and an impressive microphone, then these earbuds may be worth considering. The sound quality of these earbuds isn't terrible. The only word we can use to describe it is mediocre. But faced with excellent sounding earbuds such as the Oppo Enco X, these earphones are hard to recommend. And with that being said, we've reached the end of this review. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more. Can carry out most tasks. वो बैकग्राउंड में ज़्यादा हिलना मत, मुझे बहुत डिस्ट्रैक्ट होता है. The Alexa app also comes with a nifty fit. Okay. She's speaking in my ear. नहीं, कट मत करना. Same price range. Definitely order options such as नहीं, कट मत करना. Also comes. Shut up, Alexa. Okay, I'm just gonna take it out of my ear. And that cut kar do. Hum conclusion. Happy? Is it okay? Okay. ऐसे